Hey everyone, welcome to your energy meditation and oracle card reading. We'll do the energy meditation after. Let's kind of get through the cards, meditated, shuffled, laid them all out for you, okay? You received woman holding a coin. Okay, love this card. And this is my oracle, what is it called? Energy oracle deck. I love these cards. Amazing. So this has a very pentacle kind of feel, like the Queen of Pentacles. So this is about a female, divine, feminine type of energy with a connection to money, health, or our value system. Okay. Second card you received is Remembrance. This is from my Sacred Geometry deck. I'll read that to you. The frequency of remembrance supports our memory of everything that we have gone through as a soul in a body, providing us with valuable information and tools to flow gracefully with and in this life. So this is a very mature energy. I feel like you have what it takes inside. That if you connect with the body-mind connection, that you can tap into this stage in your life to kind of move forward and manifest. Third card is the Law of Attraction, and this is from my Angel Healing deck or something. I forgot the name of the deck. But anyway, Law of Attraction. Okay, let me read this to you. Relationships and activities that you once enjoyed are now changing as you become more sensitive and aware of energies. So this is, sorry, I choked on myself. This is about connecting to the memory, connecting to your soul value, your soul purpose, your life purpose to manifest the coins, baby. Okay, let's see what else is coming in here. I picked two Chakra of the Wisdom Oracle cards for you. You received Mysticism and Complacency. So this tells me that maybe you've been in a state of procrastinating. You're not sure what direction you want to go in. Something is holding you up. And then mysticism is not trusting your divine energy, your divine remembrance. It's not trusting your own intuition. It's not listening to your own intuition. So I think this meditation is going to be about connecting. Right? Let's get connected here and bring this new energy in for you, because they want you to tap in and understand that you're going through these changes, and that's okay if you're feeling a little confused, okay? Because there's a great opportunity for advancement here. This could even be a person coming in to assist you as well, okay? Whew, that's pretty amazing. Okay, and then I picked 3 tarot cards for you too, just to kind of get some additional energy. Oh, I forgot we'll pull some crystal cards too. I forgot. So you received Temperance, which is needing to be patient. You received the Magician. What is going on with me? The Magician. Okay, which is like magic, being able to pull the rabbit out of the hat, having all the skills, like I was saying, the skills and the know-how to tap into this knowledge. Part of this, I feel, is ancient DNA memory as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be from this lifetime, but there's something very magical about what you can manifest for yourself right now. Get the Magician, baby. Very independent energy as well. Having all the skills that you need to move forward, but you've been complacent or not trusting yourself or your own intuition about making this step to move forward, okay? Yep, and the third card, you got 3 major arcanas, okay? You got the Strength card, okay? This is courage over adversity, courage over fear. Perhaps maybe you don't think it's a good idea, or you're worried about what others would think. Okay, this is about taming this beast. Okay, so if you're having a hard time emotionally, it's time to get connected so you can have the courage to move forward. Okay, yeah, remember. Okay, you have complacency, all right, and mysticism. It was very interesting. This is the crown chakra, the purple, and this is your root chakra, the red. So it's like you have no energy flowing in your whole body because you're blocked here and you're blocked at your root chakra. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do an energy meditation to get the energy flowing, open up your crown and open up your roots so the energy of the cosmos can come in, the healing energy, opening up your meridian system, opening up your chakras can get this moving for you, because this is no fun. Okay, so if you're feeling stuck, we're going to get you, light a fire under you and get you going. Let's do 2 crystal healing cards because I did not pull those. So let's see what crystals would be helpful you as well, and then we'll jump into the meditation. You're changing, you're growing, and that's okay. The law of attraction card here is, you know, you have to really watch your intentions as well. I would set the intention for what you want to manifest. Amartine, balancing masculine and feminine energies. Allow your feminine side to creatively inspire you, and your masculine side to give you confidence. See? Beautiful. Look at that angel. More purple. You got all this great purple going on, this purple energy for the crown. Look at that. I love it. Beautiful. Okay, so that's Amartine, which you can get a little piece on Amazon. Don't spend a lot of money. That's what I usually recommend, unless you have a local gem store. You don't need a big piece. Okay, this is not about buying a big rock of Amartine where you're spending, you know, a lot of money. Let's see what else. What other energies coming in? Oh, diamond. Now that we know is going to be expensive. Whoa. Okay. Value your self-worth. You are God's precious gift. Will you look at that? Yeah, self-esteem. I'm picking up on your values. What do you resonate with? And you know, not to get into the astrology of it, but that's what we've been going through since January 2020 with all those planets in Capricorn, reviewing and assessing what's important in our lives. Do I still believe in what I believed in a year ago? We're being prompted to really kind of clear the decks and get really connected to who we are inside on a soul level. And we have that energy here too. Remember, you're a soul in a body, and if the body is stagnant and the energy is not moving, you're stuck. This feeling of, what is wrong? I can't move forward. So very, very interesting that we need to get this flow going for you. Okay, now as far as diamond is concerned, if you have a diamond, if you want to go buy a diamond, God bless you. All right, you don't necessarily have to buy a stone. You can actually screenshot this and use this diamond energy to focus. You know, if you want to come back and listen to the meditation again, this is really all you need to do. And that's same for any crystal cards that I have. Okay, you don't even have to purchase them. Okay. Whoo, baby, baby, baby. Wow. I'm loving this diamond. Your value of your self-worth. You are God's... I just have to show it again. It's beautiful. And I think we forget, right? Because we're so caught up, and that's part of this energy with COVID and everything going on and the shifting of the ages, that we need to develop more of a connection with who we are, and that's through meditation, body-mind connection, yoga, tai chi, anything that can bring the energy into our bodies and move, right, our limbic system, move and generate energy in our core so we're strong, right, and we can move forward, right, and not falter. All right. So I think that's it. Let's do the energy meditation. Okay, so get comfortable, take a seat in a chair, feet on the floor, right? Or you can sit lotus style, Indian style on the floor, whatever is most comfortable for you. Okay, I'm going to get comfortable here too. I got to move my foot. Okay, guys, so hands together in prayer posture. Okay, I want you to close your eyes. Listen to my instruction. You could always come back and redo this. Okay, when you feel more comfortable, because I want you to focus. Remember, Energy goes where the mind goes. So I want you to focus on your hands. This is the best way to kind of get in the moment, right? So focus on how you feel with your two hands together in prayer posture. Take a moment and just feel the connection. Feel the connection. Bring your energy down into your palms, your thoughts, your awareness, your focus. Okay, now I want you to rub your hands. Rub, rub, rub. We're stimulating the chi in our body. So start moving the energy so we can heal and move forward, especially with this one, if you're stuck in moving forward. Okay. Okay, now we want to tap, 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 tap. My glasses are falling down. Tap, tap, tap. Your fingertips. Tap, tap, tap. Stimulating the energy. Okay, if you want to shake a little, you can do that as well. Tap, tap, tap. Then bring your hands back into prayer posture. Just pause for a moment. Do you notice any heat in your hands right now? If you do, that's a really good sign that the energy is moving and flowing. Now, you slowly want to separate your hands, okay? And you might feel a tingly feeling. You might continue to also feel the heat. Okay. You could feel like a magnetic feeling. Okay, this is all about connecting to yourself. So this routine, this routine kind of brings your focus and makes you self-reliant, okay, and taking responsibility for your own health, your well-being, your spirituality, and your own growth. Okay, so it's kind of really cool. There's a lot of benefits to doing energy meditation. Okay, so going back to creating this energy now, see if you feel anything, and if you don't, you could always rub again. All right, but we're going to jump into it, and practice makes perfect. If you don't feel anything at first, that's okay. So we're going to separate our hands. All right, we're going to notice if we feel any tingly, magnetic feeling, any heat. Okay. And if you don't feel anything, that's fine. You are connected. You should feel in your body some kind of movement of the energy, okay? And if you don't, that's fine as well. Okay, so we're going to take our hands, and I want you to bring them up above your head, okay? And I want you to move the energy. I'm going to sit back here a minute. Okay, I want you to take this ball of energy, which we kind of created over here. The reason why I kind of instruct you to move the energy is to kind of create this ball, okay? Now, eventually, you know, you can grow your chi, you can grow your energy very big, right, which is great to clear your auric field. But for now, as a beginner, okay, so you're going to take this energy and you're going to bring it up over your head. I want you to open your crown chakra. I want you to close your eyes for 5 minutes. I mean, for 2 seconds here. 2 minutes, 1 minute. I don't know how much time I have. But anyway, I want you to imagine the energy, okay, within your hands, connecting to the universal energy, okay, of the cosmos, of the universe, whatever you resonate with. Okay, it could be God energy, Christ energy, Native American energy, your healing energy, your angels, whatever you resonate with. Okay, we're all connected, we're all one. Okay, so we're opening up the crown chakra. Notice if you feel anything at the top of your head. Okay, now you can also hold your hands this way over your crown chakra. Close your eyes. Okay, now we're going to move down through our third eye, or the pineal gland, which is a great way to open up your intuition, right? The mysticism card, remember? Right? Trusting your own intuition. Leave your hands here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open, open, open. I'm sending you healing energy as well while we do this. Okay, throat chakra, guys, okay? I'm going to open up our voice so we can be heard. Okay, our truth, our true authenticity. Okay, you can hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moving down to the heart. Now, at any time you feel like you lose the connection, you're more than welcome to start rubbing again and then go back to where you left off. Just keep focused on the energy opening your chakra system. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to come down to the solar plexus. Notice if you feel any pain anywhere, any tingly, take note of this as well, because this is very powerful. So you're getting to know your body. Okay. Okay. Second chakra, your sacral. Okay, this is your powerhouse. This is your core. Let's open up the energy here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And moving down to your root chakra, which does need some work based on the cards. Okay, I would just hold the energy here. Okay, feel free to bring your energy ball down as well, whatever you feel most comfortable with. And we're going to open the first chakra. Okay, let's focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, I want you to imagine any stagnant energy, any emotions that bubble up. It's very natural. It's very common. Just release. Okay, I want you to imagine whatever bubbles up for you when you're doing these healings. Okay, you're releasing the stagnant energy, what doesn't serve you any pain, through your fingertips and out the bottom of your feet. Really, really important, okay? Let whatever emotions come up, it could be tears, it could be you're smiling, you're happy. The reaction is going to be different for every one of you depending on where you are on your path. All right, guys, so let's just bring your hands back to prayer posture. And then let's just bow. Namaste. Thank you very much. And wow, my hands are on fire, guys. I'm loving it. So I hope you enjoyed that energy healing meditation. I should probably put some music in the background, huh? That would be nice. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. I'm on TikTok at The Clarity Cure. I do little 1-minute readings. I'm trying to bring them over to Instagram in case TikTok is shut down. But I'm on Instagram anyway. I do readings there. I can't share this now on Instagram because it's over 15 minutes. So I'm just going to leave it here on YouTube. But would love your feedback. Please leave me a comment. You're more than welcome to share this video as well. And like it and subscribe, guys. Okay, so we'll see you in the next one. Sending you much love and healing blessings, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. All right, bye-bye.